to Memphis town. Been rolling strong through nights and days, we'll never let you down. From Houston to St. Paul, we stop along the way. In every state and city, we'll see the USA. So come aboard this train, hop on and ride. We'll see the countryside, through the range and down the Clyde. We'll roll through Arizona, past Wichita's sun. From the plains of Minnesota to the fields where rivers run. Omaha to Carolina, north and south we seize. Nebraska to Alaska, where the mountains kiss the breeze. So come aboard this train, let's ride and glide. We'll see the highs and lows, to the range and down Clyde. From the deserts in Nevada to the bridges of Saint Clair, we'll travel o'er and under, feel the crisp and vibrant air. Through valleys deep in Tennessee, we've got stories left to share. Rolling past the heartlands, let the journey take you there. So come aboard this train, let's ride and glide. We'll see the highs and lows, through the range and down the Clyde. Through Alabama's pines, of Maine's rugged coast, in the heart of New Orleans, join the southern host. From the Rockies in Colorado to the Great Lakes golden shores, every town and every tale, this train is yours to explore. So come aboard this train, let's ride and glide. We'll see the highs and lows, through the range and down the Clyde. Through Utah's canyons and Idaho's fields, where stories of the West on this train are revealed. We'll cross through time and town, each whistle a new zeal. American dreams alive, from the engine to the wheels. So come aboard this train, let's ride and glide. We'll see the highs and lows, to the range and down Clyde. We'll in Kentucky's bluegrass to Ohio's rolling hills. We'll steam past the orchards where the air is sweet and still. Down Texas roads so wide to Kansas where winds chill. This train's a boundless wonder, your dreams it will fulfill. So come aboard this train, let's ride and glide. We'll see the highs and lows, to the range and down the Clyde. Through the tales of old Vermont, through the lights of Vegas streets, in the bustling heart of Atlanta where southern charm and city meet. From the peaks of North Dakota to the sands of Malibu Beach, this train's a journey everlasting, adventures within reach. So come aboard this train, let's ride and glide. We'll see the highs and lows, to the range and down Clyde. Rolling through the amber waves from sea to shining sea, the journey never ending in this land of liberty. From Washington to Oregon, Portland to the Keys, this train will keep on riding where every spirit's free. So come aboard this train, let's ride and glide. We'll see the highs and lows, to the range and down Clyde. From the heart of Oklahoma to the lakes of Michigan, we'll traverse the Appalachian where our journey first began. Louisiana's bayous to the prairies wide and grand, every mile a memory, every turn a timeless stand. So come aboard this train, let's ride and glide. We'll see the highs and lows, to the range and down Clyde.